Hey everyone, Aidan Clark here, and welcome back to Aidan Clark Learn. Today, we're walking through a complete beginner-friendly breakdown of the Fortinet NSE 6 FortiSwitch 7.2 exam. If you're planning to take this certification, or you're just trying to understand what the exam covers, how difficult it is, and what to expect, this video will give you a clear picture of everything. And stay with me until the end, because I'll also share a lesser-known platform that gives you real, exam-accurate practice questions to make your preparation a lot smoother. The Fortinet Certified Professional Network Security Certification is designed for professionals who already understand the basics of networking and FortiGate. The NSE 6 FortiSwitch 7.2 exam takes you into more specialized territory. It focuses on how FortiSwitch operates inside enterprise environments, how you configure it, how you manage it, and how you troubleshoot real network issues. So if you're aiming to build or secure Fortinet-based networks, this certification fits perfectly into your career path. At its core, the exam checks whether you can confidently work with key FortiSwitch concepts. Things like VLANs, FortiLink, network segmentation, Layer 2 switching, and advanced features like STP, link aggregation, and port security. It's not a theory-heavy exam. It's much more practical, and it reflects the real tasks you'd handle as a network engineer or system administrator. Now let's talk about the exam format, and I'll explain it in a simple, natural way. The FortiSwitch 7.2 exam is completely multiple choice, and it moves fairly quickly. You get 60 minutes to finish everything, and you'll need a score of around 70% to pass. You can take the test online with a proctor or at an approved test center. The registration fee is $200 USD, so it's worth preparing properly before scheduling your attempt. Overall, the structure is straightforward, but the real challenge lies in the technical depth of the questions. To prepare properly, you need to know how the exam topics are divided. Here's a smooth overview of all 5 areas. First, you have FortiSwitch overview and architecture, about 15%. This section covers the basics of FortiSwitch architecture, hardware models, and FortiLink connections. You should be aware of how FortiSwitch integrates with FortiGate devices for network management. Second, FortiLink configuration and management. This is the biggest chunk, around 25%. This is one of the most important topics. It includes creating FortiLink interfaces, managing switch profiles, configuring VLANs, and understanding how FortiLink operates in standalone and MCLAG modes. Third, network segmentation and VLANs, about 20%. You will need to know how to create and manage VLANs, assign VLANs to ports, and configure inter-VLAN routing. This section ensures you can secure and segment traffic effectively. Fourth, advanced switching features, another 20%. This area includes spanning tree protocol, STP, link aggregation, port security, LLDP, and QoS configurations. These are core networking functions you must understand for high-performance environments. And finally, troubleshooting and maintenance, also 20%. You should be comfortable using FortiSwitch CLI commands, diagnosing link failures, and troubleshooting configuration errors. This section often tests real-world problem-solving ability. The NSE 6 exam focuses on practical Fortinet technologies used in enterprise networking. Some of the main technologies include network access control and authentication, spanning tree and link aggregation, VLAN and trunk configurations, multicast traffic handling, network monitoring using FortiManager and FortiAnalyzer. If you already work with Fortinet products, you'll recognize a lot of this. If not, don't worry, you just need steady practice. This certification is perfect for network security engineers, system administrators, network analysts, and IT infrastructure engineers. Basically, anyone working with Fortinet-based environments who wants to move into more advanced or specialized roles. Having the Fortinet Certified Professional credential makes you stand out immediately. It shows that you know how to work with Fortinet solutions at a deeper level and that you're not just relying on theory. It also opens doors to roles like network engineer, security specialist, and Fortinet solution expert. And because Fortinet is widely used across enterprise and government networks, professionals with these skills are consistently in high demand. Now let's talk preparation, because this is where most candidates struggle. The best starting point is the official exam objectives from the Fortinet Training Institute. After that, taking the official training courses helps a lot because they include practical labs. But honestly, the biggest advantage comes from practicing with real style exam questions. Questions that match the wording, difficulty, and structure of the actual test. And toward the end of the video, I mentioned a lesser-known preparation platform. That platform is Pass for Future. Pass for Future provides verified NSE 6 exam questions that mirror the real exam format. It's one of the few resources that stays updated with the latest exam versions, which helps you identify weak areas and build confidence faster. Now that you know what to study, here are some simple but effective tips to help you pass on the first attempt. Review all exam topics more than once, pay special attention to FortiLink and VLAN concepts, take multiple practice tests from Pass for Future, spend time troubleshooting in a FortiSwitch lab, and manage your time carefully during the real exam. Once you pass the Switch 7.2 exam, you can continue growing through Fortinet's higher-level certifications. Your next steps could include the NSE 7 Solution Specialist and eventually the NSE 8 Expert, which is the highest certification Fortinet offers. The Fortinet NSE 6-FortiSwitch 7.2 exam is an excellent step for professionals who want to specialize in secure network switching. With consistent study, hands-on practice, and updated exam-accurate questions from Pass for Future, you can prepare confidently and pass without stress. Thanks for watching. I'm Aiden Clark, and this is Aiden Clark Learn. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more certification breakdowns, and check the link below for Pass for Future's latest Fortinet exam resources.